Okay, we're going to review a little bit of algebra here. So for every single equation that I write, we're going to be solving for x. So the first one, we'll start with the easy one, where x plus y is equal to 1. We're going to subtract y on both sides. So x will be equal to 1 minus y. For the next one, we'll put a coefficient for x. So we have the equation 3x plus y is equal to 1. So we put the y on the other side again, so that gives us 3x is equal to 1 minus y. Then now, since to get rid of this coefficient, we're going to divide both sides by 3, which gets rid of the 3 on that side. So we have the x isolated as x is equal to 1 minus y over 3. So for the next example, what we have is we have a factor. So we have 3 factor x plus 2 plus y is equal to 1. So we take the y over to the other side, so that gives us 3x plus 2 is equal to 1 minus y. And then we divide both sides by 3. And then now, in order to get rid of the 2, we're going to subtract both sides by minus 2. So that gives us x is equal to 1 minus y over 3 minus 2. So for the next equation, we have 3x plus 2 squared plus y is equal to 1. And we have 3x plus 2 squared is equal to, well, we put the y to the other side, so that's 1 minus y. We divide both sides by 3. So we have x plus 2 squared is equal to 1 minus y over 3. Now, in order to get rid of that squared, we're going to root both sides. So that gives us x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus the root of 1 minus y over 3. Now we subtract 2 on both sides, so we have x is equal to plus or minus the root of 1 minus y over 3 minus 2. So now for the final equation, what we have is a fraction. So we have 3 x plus 2 squared over 5 plus y is equal to 1. We put the y to the other side, so it's going to be 3x plus 2 squared over 5 is equal to 1 minus y. Now we multiply to get rid of 5, we multiply both sides by 5. So that gives us 3x plus 2 squared is equal to 5, 1 minus y. Now we divide both sides by 3 to get rid of the coefficient again. Now we're left with that squared value, so we're going to root both sides again. So that gives us x plus 2 plus is equal to plus or minus the root of 5, 1 minus y over 3, then subtract 2 on both sides. So x will be equal to plus or minus the root of 5, 1 minus y over 3 minus 2. And that's our final answer.